Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and I want to talk to you guys about a very specific crypto.com token that I think could get an exchange listing, but it's not just focused on this token that's been very successful on CRONOS chain. What I want to highlight in this video is something that's been going on with Solana. There's been a lot of congestion on that network. I want to talk about some of the other leaders of other ecosystems in the crypto space, because you've seen, if you've been watching our channel, I've been talking a lot about CRONOS and Stacks and Solana and a lot of other chains as well. There's so many different chains, from Avalanche to Polkadot, you name it, layer ones, layer twos. There's a lot of different spaces to be involved in crypto and a lot of different communities. But one thing's for sure, development is a good thing for ecosystems. And it's also a good thing to have competition. Healthy competition is good. It's what keeps people honest, and it's what keeps innovation moving forward. So with that, guys, let's talk a little bit about Crow with Knife, a meme token. Yes, a meme token on CRONOS. We'll talk about the CRONOS token as well. But I got some key updates for you guys and some news to share on Solana that you're going to want to see, and some of these other, actually, I'll just tell you, it is Phantom as well I want to talk about, and just kind of use it as an example. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Let's just hop right into it. Today, Bitcoin was back above $70,000, which was very beautiful to see. The Fear and Greed Index is at 75, and so things are they're cooling off a little bit. Bitcoin's trying to stay above that previous high. Well, let's see if we can turn April into a bullish month. The Bitcoin halving is this month. This is a very bullish catalyst for crypto overall. And a lot of people have been very excited about this and expecting an altcoin rally soon. I personally am expecting an altcoin rally soon. Lately, we've seen a lot of meme coins taking off, and that has actually been happening on Stacks, which is the number 26 token in all of crypto, the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. It's been happening in a variety of ecosystems like Avalanche, like in Solana, even in Binance Smart Chain, more so in the last bull market. But still, there's meme tokens in every single ecosystem. And just recently, there's been a lot of excitement recently on CRONOS about meme coins as well. And there's been clearly one winner. And when I say winner, I mean the one that has gotten the community the most riled up, the most excited, and come up most naturally without the help of a major DEX or any major players in the CRONOS space. Really just a community-driven token that deserves a shout out, and that's why I've been shouting it out lately. Crow with Knife. $700,000 in liquidity, a $10.4 million market cap. It was almost up to a $20 million market cap. It's getting a little consolidation. It is currently on I think it's even on several chains, at least on Base, on CRONOS, and on Solana, and trying to expand into an exchange listing as well. Now, I do believe with the liquidity, with the market cap on this, and with the amount of community that has been supporting this token, this has a big chance of getting listed on Crypto.com's app, just like Corgi AI did, guys. Corgi AI is currently trying to looks like it wants to make a little recovery, is at a $812 million market cap with $1.9 million in liquidity. The fact that this has $1.9 million of liquidity versus its market cap, and Crow with Knife has $700K versus its $10 million market cap, it's pretty impressive for Crow with Knife. Again, a community-driven token. What I want to highlight, too, is look at the other meme tokens that are so huge. It's one of the top categories according to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. And when you look at the top tokens, you will see Corgi AI is in the top 10 of all meme tokens. At some point, I believe a Bitcoin meme is going to be up here. At some point, I believe another CRONOS meme is going to be up here. At some point, I expect an Avalanche meme to be up here. A Coinbase meme is actually now up here. It's Brett. It's moving up from the base chain. There's going to be a lot of competitors, and they're going to move around, guys. These are hype plays. These are community-driven tokens, and these are good for ecosystems. There's an impressive amount of holders here, 8,349 addresses. It slowed down a little bit, but they still are consistently growing. You want to look at the holders on any given meme token or any token you're looking at to make sure that no one person owns too much of the supply. Destruction is the creator, and so he holds these tokens. He's the founder of the token. So 4% for the founder, that's not that big when you compare it to some of the other meme tokens out there. But please be careful with the guys. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I'm not advertising for this. I'm just talking about a sense of community for this token, which has been extremely successful and kind of exciting. Matter of fact, even VVS Finance, who launched their own meme token, CROB, has been doing some very fair votes and polls, and for 3 weeks in a row, the community picked CAW as the top meme token. So with this being said, I believe this is a thing that would allow Crow with Knife to get listed on crypto.com if they do choose to do that. Now, I want to highlight something else for you guys here as well. Solana's down right now, in a sense. For those of you guys that aren't aware of this, well, let me fill you in. So a majority of the transactions that are going on Solana right now are failing. Why? Because there is so many bots trading tokens. There's so much activity going on that it's congesting the network. And since the fees are so low, there's so many transactions going through that it's just compounding the issues. And there is a backlog of transactions. In fact, some transactions are just straight up failing right now. So I tweeted this out yesterday and I said, with Solana down right now and with the congestion issues being trying to be resolved, I can't help but think this is extremely bullish for CRONOS chain and for Stacks and several other chains, Avalanche, you name it. Matter of fact, here you go. And this is a story I want to share with you guys today. Andre Conje, I don't know how to say this guy's name, but he is one of the creators the founder of Phantom. And he is now working to figure out a way to embrace these assets, talking about meme coins. He wants to help launch meme tokens on Phantom. Now, I know that there's a lot of people on this channel probably watching this video right now that hate meme tokens, and I hear you. I never really liked meme tokens either. And honestly, I'm investing in way more meme tokens than I ever thought that I would, because I'm seeing something happen right now, and it's very, very obvious to me. There are going to be multiple winners in this. Solana is not going to be the only thriving ecosystem with meme tokens. It's just not going to be that way. There's going to be many winners. There's Pepsi, there's Coca-Cola, there's Dr. Pepper. There's so many different things out there when it comes to brands. When you look at your grocery store choices, when you look at your soda choices or your chip brands, you can have multiple different chains that you want to use as well. Some people might want to use Solana. Some people might want to use Solana and CRONOS. Some people just might want to use CRONOS. And some people might just be only using anything Bitcoin DeFi. In fact, I did a video today as well talking about some Bitcoin DeFi plays. There's a lot of different routes you can go with that as well. This is a very interesting thing, but my point is this is good for the overall CRONOS community, for the team. There are some risks with this. Obviously, they're very volatile, but we do need more competition and more devs to build on a variety of chains. I tweeted this out. Here is a timeline that the Solana team directly tweeted off their Twitter. Timelines and what to expect around what's going on Solana. They are working on a new upgrade, essentially. And so here's the short version. Significant progress has been made to overcome the current congestion challenges, and we expect to begin releasing first fixes next week. That's this coming week, probably starting tomorrow, hopefully. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow would be Monday at the time of this recording. In collaboration with other core contributors, we've analyzed the root cause and evaluated several potential changes. So it's good to see that they are working on it. Whoever Anza is, one of the main, let's see here, it says a focused dev shop for building on Solana. So the developers, again, need to stay competitive. This is what we want. We want more devs to build on a variety of chains, and we want them to have to feel the pressure, the competition. Solana's super popular right now. They can't keep that network down for long. Why? Because if that network's down and people have the itch and they want to trade and they want to use DeFi and they want to use crypto and they can't use the chain that they like, well, they might go find another chain. This is what's going to keep the market honest. This is what's going to help grow new chains as well. I do believe you're going to see a Bitcoin meme token up here. You already see a CRONOS meme token up here. Why not two? Why not a community-driven launched token like Crow with Knife? I'm not saying it's absolutely going to happen, that it gets listed on crypto.com or that it's going to be a top 10 meme, but I'm just saying, guys, you never know what's going to happen. And so what I recommend is just to acknowledge the fact that development is good. Ecosystem growth is good. Testing the network, bringing more users to a network is good. And meme coins have certainly had a very interesting way of doing that. Even you see this Phantom creator trying to bring the memes to his chain as well. We're heading in the right direction, folks. There's no doubt about it. Hopefully it pans out that way. When you look at what's going on with Solana right now, it is bleeding down in price a little bit because, why? Because the chain is having some troubles. And as CRONOS chain has been getting some more hype around these meme tokens, who knows? Maybe we can get a Solana-like boom in CRONOS. And with Binance now having Stacks coming in a layer 2 solution, as a layer 2 solution with the Nakamoto upgrade, bringing transactions under 4 seconds, this is going to be a big competitor too. I think there's going to be a lot of competitors. I think CRONOS is going to be one of the names that people will start to recognize a little bit more when it comes to DeFi. What you got to remember, guys, is when did the CRONOS change launch? Pop quiz. Well, the answer, I'm going to spoil it for you, was right at the peak of this bull market, guys. And so it launched and the entire crypto market died. People said Crypto.com's CRONOS chain is a dead chain only because the entire market was dead right after it launched. In this bull market, I believe it's going to be a huge chain. I think it's going to be a big player. I think the CRONOS token is going to go extremely well. I think it's going to probably go above $2 at some point in this bull market. I think that there's going to be a lot of meme token winners and losers in the CRONOS ecosystem. So please, guys, be careful. Do your research. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. But that's my little update for you guys today. We might get an exchange listing on Crow with Knife at best at some point from Crypto.com. I think we could see that we have more developments coming from the Crow with Knife team. They're actually developing more tools. And once the Solana congestion clears, maybe buyers will come and buy Crow with Knife on Solana as well. And as more people learn about CRONOS, maybe they'll start buying the CRONOS token too. Why? Because you need the CRONOS to complete all the transactions for anything you want to transact. Just like Solana, you need Solana on the Solana network to do gas. You need Stacks on the Stacks network for gas. You need CRONOS on the CRONOS network for gas. That's all I got on this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. And don't forget to DCA and HODL. I think I said that. I'll see you next time, folks. Peace.